Alright. Vacuum. Is it Dyson? What is it? No, it looks like a Hoover or something. Oh, just kidding, it's gonna look at that. No, definitely not. It's a Hoover, and it's quite dirty. And a, rip in the cord, so no, that's definitely just junk. What's this? Holy hell, there we go. Oh, it's a pull-out one, and someone already, oh, pulled up for us. Okay, you guys couldn't even see what I was doing, but we're on the Tuesday route. Okay, really. Yeah, that's the problem with this light and this mount is it frickin' always drops. It's not secure, and I didn't bring the headlamp, so we're kind of.
Yeah, I'm professional.
So that's one of the problems I noticed is this light always doesn't stay very well. It always drops when it's mounted, when it's just screwed into the mount. So I have a flashlight. I didn't bring the headlamp, so I have to ditch this light because it's gonna be a pain, and you're never gonna see anything. I say we're going back up the street here because there's like a little pile we saw somewhere. I think it's on the next like section, because this area it's like divided into sections. There's a lot of cut through streets. Hold them up. There's a lot of side streets, so it's kind of divided into sections. I'm pretty sure it's in this section here. So like I said, I might end up just ditching this light right there, I think. Yep, that's the pile. That's what I was talking about. You can tell what's there.
There's no blinds, iron board.
Oh, that's super tight. Oh, great. Didn't leave me the keys. It's also already got, whoops, see. I'm gonna take this light off and kind of maybe just hold it. So, anyways, I'll get myself situated here. Alright, sink with a faucet. I don't knock my snips out. Oh, yeah. You gonna see?
Ooh, a couple lines.
Wood. Oh, that's a nice one. Nothing else. Nope. Some nice drawers. Oh. These are aluminum, so I mean, at least it's worth having companions. Like I said, we might. Oh, there's a box fan.
Nope, let's go for our next victim.
An older one too, it looks like. Kind of like the other one. Oh, no handle. Oh, how nice. Put it kind of in the middle, I guess. Oh. I say this is the Tuesday where I haven't been over here in quite a long time. Little shoe rack looking thing. Stroller, wooden ladder. So,
still a little fluff.
Pretty much running the old, or an old route of mine. This is how I used to run it. Is that an extension cord? Is that what I think it is? Or is that PEX?
Oh, I think that is an extension cord. I'm pretty sure that is. We just stopped at the stop sign.
Yeah, we'll stop at the stop sign. Because there is like a construction place in there. I've gotten a window frame from that before. So I can't tell what it is. Is it an extension cord, PEX? What it is? Is it an extension cord?
No, it's a hose.
Oh, well, what the hell are you grabbing it for?
For the ends.
I have snips for that one. You don't need to grab trash.
Let's and they're cutting that shit off right now.
Ay.
They're going to work. They just won't know about it. Go for one on the tilt, one on the other.
I said, well, add it to your own trash or whatever. Bunny. All right.
Styrofoam?
Watch styrofoam.
Oh, just no stop sign. Do whatever you want.
I know, I think, no, the stop sign's for the other street. It's one of those dumb ones where it's
Yeah, you feel like
the wrong
like
traffic has to stop.
Yeah, it feels like there should be a stop sign, but there isn't.
All right, we'll see what else we can find. All right, James, lamp back this way. Back. Dave's driving a little too fast. Yeah, he's by the door, which is this pile right here. I see what he's talking about. Oh, there's just a little basket. Oh, there's 2 lamps. This one might be brass. Probably not, but no, it's under the quarters under the tote. Of course, you couldn't, back up either. He's just gotta sit down there. I'm looking at this. I don't think it's brass. There's 2.
I see this one.
One of the new crappy ones, and then this one might be brass. Although I kind of doubt it. Oh, it's plastic. It's not even glass.
Yeah.
It looked like a very nice stained glass. Oh, it's plastic.
Oh, hello, friend.
Oh, there's another lamp too that we backtracked for and got.
Oh, camera.
I know, it's one of the things where it's like, who are you talking to?
What?
I know, some people when they have
Get
cameras with them, it's like, who are they talking to? That's why I don't like film. I wouldn't want to like film in public, because that's,
just look like a crazy person.
I know, because you're like, who are you talking to?
Unless you have like a big camera set up.
I'm saying, unless you got like
That's
another,
obvious.
yeah, or it's another guy with, like when you have a cameraman, then it's obvious who you're talking to. I don't know what's behind that car.
Probably.
Oh. Yeah, there was another lamp that we swung back around for because we didn't know what street it was on. Or we had seen it, but we didn't know what section it was in. We thought it was in the first section. No, it was in like the 3rd. So we kept driving down the street. But, oh, flashing lights going somewhere. That's good. They're not coming to us.
Not yet.
Well, no, it's after. It's about shift change. Like when we were in the Thursday route, we seen 2 cops come by us. Then I looked at the time. Oh, it's midnight. Oh, okay, it's shift change. I don't have my scanner because I didn't really think about it. So, anyways, like I said, we swung back on another lamp, and it was kind of getting dead here. This next little section of our streets were getting kind of dead here, so it still kind of is. So, anyways, we'll see if anything else appears at some point. Although, we might have to show you the aftermath. I'm kind of running out of battery here. What am I at? Turn on. 43%. So yeah, I'm getting low on battery. Didn't bring the other GoPro battery with me, and this battery is pretty crappy. It keeps draining. It drained pretty quick when I wasn't even doing anything. So might just get a highlight reel here after we're done. All right, another lamp that we seen as we're cutting through to the next area we missed the first time. Tonight's theme is lamps, so why not? Anything else? Nope. course, James is way the hell down there. Because we're cutting over like a secret street. It's a street I kind of forgot existed. Until one day I was looking at Google Maps. And I seen it's a little street. I've only been down it like once or twice. When I've gone over here picking on the bike. Not an area I usually go to.
Yeah, you were so far away. Jesus Christ.
I know, I kind of seen that as soon as I went over there and started looking. I'm like, you know, he could come back around. This is kind of far.
I would tend to just put it in reverse and get back and off.
I had the theme's lamps. We gotta get it.
Alright,
Alright, off to the secret street. Ugh, rotors. Rotors are paying good too. Almost just missed them. Yep. I know it's dark, you guys can't see, but rotors. Finally. I seen the shovel, and then last second I saw the rotors. They're good sized ones.
good size. We got 2 or 4.
Just 2.
Fuck.
But hey, I almost didn't see them. Yeah, I seen the shovel, and then as I was like glancing my eyes off the shovel and to the curb's edge, then I seen them. Yeah, rotors are paying super good. I think that's almost 300. All right, battery's at 23%. I think I'll just turn you guys off, and if I see like, you know, copper for days, then I'll turn you on. Is that a screen I seen?
What the hell that was?
Looked like a screen.
Yeah, I'll see some like blue. What the hell is there?
Tiny cats.
God, we don't need more tiny cats.
What is that, satellite dish? Nope.
Baby thing.
Nope. I thought it was feeder horn sticking up. Like I said, if I see like, you know, $1,000 worth of copper, I'll turn you on. Otherwise, I'll see you guys back at home. Alright, we're done. We're back. James just switching out the cars so he can pull his in. We'll show you the load. We picked up some more stuff, a couple more lamps and that, and a giant propane heater. That's not stainless, but James, I think, was getting kind of done, and or kind of just wanted to be done, and just threw it in there so we could be full and done. Also, nice scratch in the dashboard, but as I said, that's his fault.
I blame you.
I just seen it was there. He's the one that actually got out, threw it in. You guys seen it, it was on camera. And I said, yeah, we probably should stop somewhere and, you know, bend it. Nah, just kept going. So. Oof. I'm gonna straighten out here. Fuck up my grass.
That grass.
I'm finally around the grass.
Well, Florida sees the heater in the way.
Yeah, that's probably close enough. Alright, let me see. Should probably go back more. It's usually about... Oh yeah, you can definitely go back more. Oh yeah, there's like a whole concrete pad worth. Keep going. Alright, that's good enough. Yeah, because usually the door should be about where the walkway is. That's about good enough. Alright, I'll show you the bounty. Oh, microwave too, which was definitely a goal, was to find a microwave. Because our grandmother's neighbor, he needs a new microwave, so we were hoping we'd find one. Or I figured we'd find one. And so we'll test it out and see if it's good. And so, you know, sell it to him and get the old one. We'll maybe just a straight exchange. Say fan. Oh no, you guys didn't see. I turned you off. Fan. Like I said, the propane heater. There's lamps in here. That was tonight's theme, was lamps. So just lamps. This one's a super nice one, super heavy. I don't know if it's actually brass or not. I didn't bust the magnet out. But the base is like the center cast one, or is not center. The base is a nice cast one, so it might be brass. So But like I said, the theme was lighting and lamps, which is quite ironic considering it's dark and my lamp was not very useful. So, like I said, we'll get this all unloaded tomorrow. We'll load up the other stuff and run a load in tomorrow. So, maybe we'll finally get rid of that fan. But yeah, all this crap. The yard looks like crap, so I'm going to run this in. So, I'll show you guys again in the morning. But say nothing special, nothing sellable other than maybe the microwave. I didn't even look in it. It still has its plate. And there was no other trash out, otherwise I would have took the, or no, I wouldn't take taken the plate out. So, well, yeah, no, a pretty good load for, what's it now, about 1:15. Avalanche. Whoop. Oh. Stop, pick up this little galvanized bucket. I originally stopped because there was a stream, but it was buried under some firewood, so I didn't bother. There was a vacuum cord at the heater house. This is, you know, stainless or aluminum. That's not. So, sink. And there's definitely a section too we didn't hit. There was a little bit of stuff we missed, but it was also, we're not familiar with the area. I don't think I've ever run really in the neighborhoods we were hitting. So, well, like I said, we'll get this dealt with in the morning.